Welcome back to my food channel, where I show you how to make very simple, delicious dishes that anybody could do. So, let's get started. These are the basic ingredients you're gonna need in making a delicious mac and cheese. Whole milk, 2%, country crock butter, you can use whatever butter you like, all-purpose flour, shredded mild cheddar, and Velveeta cheese. I'm gonna put these ingredients together and make a delicious mac and cheese. So let's get started. We're gonna add 1 tablespoon of salt. I'm gonna stir the water, make sure the salt spreads all around. And now we're just gonna bring up the heat on high, and we're gonna wait till the water starts to boil. And until then, I'm gonna start preparing the cheese sauce. I'm gonna add 1/4 cup of flour. You want to have the heat on real low. So start throwing in, just add the butter. Stir the butter, and now we're going to add the 1/4 cup of flour. And while we're stirring the flour, we're going to add 2 cups of milk. You're gonna keep stirring now you can put it on medium, the heat. And you're gonna stir it until the milk gets thick with the flour for about a good 5 to 8 minutes. Okay, now it's gotten nice and thick, as you can see. Now we're just gonna lower the heat a little bit, a little less than medium. And we're gonna add our cheeses. I'm gonna add 1 cup of Velveeta cheese, shredded Velveeta cheese, and another cup of mild cheddar cheese. And now I'm just gonna keep stirring it until the cheese melts. So we're just making our cheese sauce. I mean, it doesn't take that long for the cheese to melt, especially if you add shredded cheese. You could buy it shredded, or you could shred it yourself. Now it's coming together beautifully. So basically that's what we're doing. We're making our own cheese sauce. I mean, you could use whatever cheese you like. It's your mac and cheese. You make it your own. But today I'm using Velveeta with mild cheddar cheese. So you just stir it for a couple of minutes until it's nice and melted. Now remember that the cheese has already salt, so you don't need to add any salt, because the cheeses have enough salt. I mean, you could you taste it. You can taste it. You can taste it and make sure. You taste the cheese. Perfect. This cheese doesn't need any salt. Plus, I added water to the salt just to give the elbow pasta a little taste of salt. So that's it. That sauce is ready to be added to the elbow pasta. Now that the water is boiling, we're gonna add 1 box of large elbows pasta. You're gonna stir it for a couple of minutes so it doesn't stick. You could also add a little oil. Just a touch of a little bit of vegetable oil. This way the noodles don't stick. So we're just gonna stir this for a couple of minutes. Okay, I've been stirring it for about a good 3 minutes. Now it's boiling again. Now we're just gonna let it cook for about a good 10 minutes. Okay, now the large elbow pasta is ready. I'm gonna taste one, make sure it's al dente, not too soft, not too hard. Perfect. Now it's ready. Now we're gonna set the temperature at 350 degrees, bake time for a good 25 minutes. And now we're gonna start the timer. Now we're just gonna take our pasta, our large elbows. And then we're gonna add our cheese sauce. Spreads all around. And then you just want to spread it. Keep spreading it till it spreads all around. Now I mixed it very well. Last but not least, I'm going to add a little Velveeta cheese on top of it. Sprinkle a little bit on it. A little bit of mild cheddar. Mild cheddar. Just to give it that extra kick. Now, if you people like extra cheese, you could add as much cheese as you like. Like I said, you can make mac and cheese. You could add whatever cheese you want. Okay, now we're just gonna put it in the oven, let it bake. I also want to mention that it's a very good idea to put a bowl of water right underneath your mac and cheese. Why bowl of water? To keep the mac and cheese from drying. Also, I added a 1/4 cup on top of the mac and cheese to keep it moist also. So those two things I recommend. So your mac and cheese, when it comes out of the oven after 25 minutes or half an hour if you like, it'll be nice and ready and moist. That's it, it's ready. Doesn't that look good? Now you can see how nice and moist. You can hear it. You see that? That's what you're supposed to hear. It's not supposed to stick when you're done taking it out of the oven. That's why it's important to put a bowl of water inside the oven with the mac and cheese, and also sprinkle some water on top, like maybe a 1/4 cup. So your mac and cheese doesn't dry when you put it in the oven. So now it's ready to be served. And here you got it, the delicious mac and cheese. See that sound that it makes? Because it didn't come out dry at all because I added the water. Doesn't that look good? Now I'm gonna just try it. Delicious. It came out just right. You can taste the cheese. Everything comes together beautifully. Thank you for watching. Until next time. I hope you enjoyed my recipe. Thank you for watching and subscribing. And until next time.